Okay, now here we can, what do you think? What do you expect? What is the appropriate substitution in this question? Let u equals what?
Inside the root?
X plus 1. Like that? Like that, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. It's totally right. That means x equal u minus 1, right? Okay. Okay. du equal dx. Then I equal integration. What is x? It is u minus 1. This x root of u, right? du equal integration of u minus 1. What is root u? It is u to the power of half. du equal integration of, now multiply this by this and this by this. u by u half, it's u 3 over 2, right? Minus
Yes.
u half. Very easy, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
That's it. It is u 5 over 2 over 5 and 2 here. You understand why? u 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 and 2 will be up. Okay? Equal 2 over 5 square root of u5 minus 2 over 3 square root of u3. Substitute, it will be 2 over 5 square root of, what is u? It is x plus 1. It is x plus 1. So it will be root of x plus 1 to the power of 5 minus 2 over 3 square root of x plus 1 to the power of 3 plus c. I think it is easy, really easy. Here I want, please take a screenshot so I can tell you something interesting here in this question 21. In the previous solution, we said let u equal x plus 1, and we complete. And the answer was easy. And this substitution made my question easier than it was. So it worked. It worked, right? What if I used the substitution? Will it work?
I
The
guess it will
answer
work, but it will be harder.
I think it will work and it will be easy also. I'm sorry, Iman. But listen, the substitution, sometimes you choose a substitution and try to do the question, you find it worked. Okay, good. But sometimes you find your substitution made it really hard. Just ignore it and try another substitution. Okay? See this. I want you to see what is x in this case. It will be u squared minus 1, right? If I try to make x subject, I will square both sides. I will square both sides. So This will be squared and this will be squared. This will go with this, right? You understand? du equal, what is the differentiation of root? It is 1/2 by the root itself, right? dx. Okay. Therefore, dx equal to, which is this all will be up, right? It will be 2 root x plus 1 du, right? But don't forget that this part, root x plus 1 is u actually. Is u. So it will be 2u du. Right?
Yes.
Okay, now my integration is going to be like x is going to be x, not x squared, it's u squared. See this x, I will substitute it by u squared minus 1. And root x plus 1 is u, right? And dx is 2u du. Is that clear? Equal. Now I'll multiply this. Don't forget that this is multiplication. So it will, from out, it will be 2u squared, right? 2u squared by u squared is 2u4. Right? Minus 2u squared du. Did you get that?
Yeah.
This will be 2u5/5 integration, normal integration, right? Minus 2u3/3. Okay? Equal 2/5, I mean 2/5 u5. It will be root x plus 1 all to the power of 5 minus 2/3 u3. It will be root x plus 1 all to the power of 3. Okay, question. Is this similar to root x plus 1 to the power of 5? Is it equal to it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. We studied that in grade 10, if you remember. In unit 5, in indices. And that was one of the laws or properties of indices. Okay? So the final answer is going to be the same. The final answer is going to be the same. So that equals 2/5 root of x plus 1 to the power of 5 minus 2/3 root x plus 1 to the power of 3 plus c. You can compare your answers and you'll find them the same. You will find them the same. This question also the same. It is bracket and with root. I will leave it for you. I will go directly to question number 23, which has a root in the denominator. How can we deal with that? How can we deal with it? And as you can see, I only left a small space for that. No need for a big space. Okay, I will say u, it will be u, let u. Why didn't I say let? I need let. Let u equal. What do you think? Is it good to do it 2x plus 1 or root? I will leave it this way. I will leave it this way. That means u equal, not u, I mean x. X equals, what will it be? U over 2 minus 1 over 2. Right?
Yes.
U equals 2 dx. That means dx equal du over 2. Therefore, I equal integration 3. Substitute x, this x, it will be u over 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 4 all over root u du over 2. Okay, that really made it easy now because the denominator gets one thing only. It gets one thing only. Before it was root and polynomial inside the root. Now it's only one thing, root u. So my question now is much, much easier. I will take this 3 and this 2 outside the... I cannot take that 3 because that 3 is multiplied by the first bracket only. So I cannot take 3 out. I can only take half, which is half integration multiply 3. It will be 3 over 2 u minus 3 over 2, okay, minus 4. I can divide here by you have, no, just a minute. I will make it, just a minute, because I can add this with this. So it will be you have du, okay, equal have integration, simplify the first, it's going to be 3 over 2, you have, right? Because u over u have, it will be 1 minus half, it will be half. You got it?
Yes.
Minus, I will multiply here by 2 and here by 2, so it's going to be 8, 3, it's minus 11 over 2, and this u have will be up, u minus half, because I put it up.
Teacher, مش لما تعمل 3 over 2 minus 4 بيرجع رقم negative we cancel the negative اللي موجود.
No, see, it is minus 3 over 2 minus 8 over 2.
Okay.
Right? So it will be minus 11 over 2. Thank you for that question. Because when I did it, I knew that you might, it is really hard. It is confusing, but I think it is clear by now, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So that will be have 3 over 2 u 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 here minus 11 over 2 u have over half, and I only gave it small space. Okay. This 3 will be cancelled with this 3, this 2 with this 2, Also this 2 with this 2. So the final answer is going to be have bracket square root of it is 3 2x plus 1. I'm talking to myself, right? I'm sorry. Okay. Is it clear? What did I do at the first step?
Yes.
Minus 11 root 2x plus 1 plus c plus c. There was a space, enough space, but okay. Same thing with question 24. It will be the same. It will be the same. Okay. So as you can see, we have many types of questions of substitutions. Maybe 6 types. We discussed 4 types by now. Now we always, next to x, what do we have? And next to the root, we have x only. See, x to the power of, it is only x to the power of 1. It is always x to the power of 1. See here. X to the power of 1 here. X to the power of 1. But in question 25 and 26, here we have x to the power of 2 and here x to the power of 5. Let's just see what we will have. What is the proper substitution here? What do you think? It is clear. Don't be afraid. Okay? Because you'll try, and if it didn't work, it's all right. It's not a big deal. I mean, don't be afraid at all. Just try, and that's it. That's it. That's all you need to do. U equal x3 plus 5. And I think that's really easy. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I want you to see that x to the power of 3 equal u minus 5. Right? Keep it like this. Don't take the cube root here and cube root here. So you can know that x equals cube root of u minus 5. You might do that, but you will discover later that it doesn't matter. It's not necessary. Okay? I will show you why. Okay, so I will clean all of that. You might do it, by the way. You might leave it that way. It's all right. It's not a big deal. But you'll discover that it was nothing. Just wait. du equal 3x squared, right? This is the differentiation, dx. That means dx equal du over 3x squared. Okay? Therefore, I equal integration. Write x5, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Because I don't have an expression for x5. And even x, I don't have substitution for it. Okay? Cube root of u, right? du over 3x squared. What do you think? What will happen now? What will happen? What will happen? Can't I cancel this x squared with this 5? So this will be 3.
Yeah.
Really nice. So it's going to be 1 over 3 outside, sorry, get away, integration. Then I have x3 right? Root. I will write instead of root, I will write u to the power of 1/3 du. Did you get that?
Yes.
Okay. Now see x3. What is x3? It is u minus 5. You got it? You got why I don't need an expression for x itself?
Yeah.
I discovered that after I worked many steps. Okay? So the hardness in this question is only this point. And I think it's not a big problem. It's really easy. You can deal with it, can't you?
Yes.
Okay, good. So it's 1/3. Integration. x3 is u minus 5. U to the power of third du equal 1/3 integration. Now multiply out. It will be u. 1 plus 1/3 is 4/3, right? Minus 5 u third du equal 1/3 bracket u. 4/3 plus 1 is 7/3 and 3 will be up here, right? Minus 5 u to the power of 4/3 because I added 1 over 4/3 and 3 will be here, will be multiplied by 5. Okay, that's it. What can I do now? I need to simplify. It will be 1/3 bracket 3/7. Instead of u, I write x3 plus 5. So it will be x3 plus 5 cube, just a minute, cube root, and this to the power of 7 minus 15/4 cube root of x3 plus 5 all to the power of 4 plus c. Just a minute, I forgot to add this bracket because this all multiplied by 1/3. Also easy. It is the same thing. You will do a substitution. What substitution you will choose here? U equal, say it please.
2x minus 1.
That's right. That's right. And work it. Inshallah, you will find it really easy. And if you find any problem, just let me know. Okay? Just let me know. Okay. That was the fifth type. That was the fifth type. And you can count them. There are 5 types. We still have this 6th type. 6th type, I think I will need. How can I do that? By substitution. This is the 6th type. What substitution you expect? What is the problem here? Can you tell me what the problem is? In this question 27. Question 27. What is our problem? Why is it hard to be solved?
The denominator is a polynomial and it has powers.
Yeah, it has many terms. That's right. Excellent. This is our problem. And that's really tricky because how will I simplify it? I cannot separate it. I need to separate this. So I will try to find a substitution that would make it little bit easier. How? If I say, let, what do you think? Think of anything, anything. Don't be afraid. Huh? I can't hear.
E to the power of x.
Only, that's it. You think it is this way only? Be confident. You're right. That's right. It's right. Okay? It is correct. Now, what do you think? What is du? Du equals ex. Okay? dx, right? Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Which equal, du equal, what is ex? It is u. dx, right? Take this down. dx is going to be du over u, right? You got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Therefore, I equal integration of u over u plus r. This is e to the power of negative x. What is that? What is it? See, if I put 1 over u, isn't that equal 1 over ex? From here.
Yes.
Okay, so 1 over u equal e, put this up, minus x. You understand?
Yeah.
So this will be 1 over u. Okay, and dx is du over u. Can I do? Equal integration. Leave this u. Don't cancel this u with this u. You can do that. You can. But I will leave it as it is. U. And this u, I'll multiply it by this and by this. What will happen? It will be u by u squared, right? Plus 1 over u by u is 1. du, right? What do you think? What is that? I need you to notice now that this is almost a dash of this, right? What is the differentiation of u squared, I mean? It is 2u. I have part of it, which is u. You understand what I'm trying to say here?
Yes.
Good. So, what would I need? I need to add 2 here and have out. Now, it is f dash, and this is f. And this is really easy. This is really easy. It equals have ln f. What is f in this question? It's not x squared, it is u squared plus 1. Now substitute u again, which is this. So it equals have ln e to the power of x all squared, okay, plus 1 equal have ln ex to the power of 2. You will multiply this by this. The powers are going to be multiplied. Okay, so it will be 2x plus 1. I cannot open it. You might think that ln E is 1. No, you cannot, because there is plus 1. Plus C. Plus C.